G'day folks, it's Ben from Catch Pro here. Today I want to show you the extension handle for the Advanced Chute System that we have for stand-on mowers. So if you've already got an Advanced Chute System on your stand-on mower in Australia, now we have these extension handles available. It's really great for being able to just, when you're operating, you can swing this open really easily. Most of the time there is concern with trees and low-hanging branches. However, a lot of the time people are probably mowing with this open, and so when it's in the open position, it's not going any higher than your tower. So if you've already got the Advanced Chute System on a stand-on mower and you don't want to lean over anymore, you can jump on the website and grab the extension handle. Thanks guys.